Hello and welcome. If you're over 60 and using a smartphone, computer, or the internet, this video is for you. Technology makes life easier, but it also comes with risks. Today, I'll share 5 senior-friendly tech tips to help you stay safe online. Tip 1. Use strong and easy-to-remember passwords. Many seniors use simple passwords like 12,345 or their birth year. That makes you an easy target. Instead, create strong passwords. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. For example, Garden 2025 is stronger than just Garden. If it's hard to remember many passwords, use a password manager app that stores them securely for you. Tip 2. Don't click on unknown links. Scammers love sending fake emails and text messages. They might say, "Your bank account is locked," or "Click here for a prize." Never click suspicious links. If you're unsure, call the company directly or ask a family member to check. A few seconds of caution can save you from big trouble. Tip 3. Keep your devices updated. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or laptop, always install updates. Updates fix security holes that hackers try to use. It may feel annoying, but pressing that "Update" button keeps your device safe and running smoothly. Tip 4. Use two-step verification. Two-step verification adds an extra lock to your accounts. Even if someone steals your password, they can't get in without a code sent to your phone or email. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference in keeping your account secure. Tip 5. Be careful with personal information. Never share personal details like your social security number, home address, or credit card information on websites you don't trust. Scammers often trick people into giving away this data. Always double-check that the website address starts with HTTPS before entering any sensitive information. Staying safe online is just as important as staying safe at home. By following these 5 simple tips, you'll enjoy the benefits of technology without the risks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more senior-friendly tips. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.